We're going to talk about something really important when learning Linux, and this is how to get help when you run into problems. Because let's be honest, when working in the terminal, it's completely normal to get stuck sometimes. So, how do you find help? How do you figure it out what a command does or what options it supports? Let's go step by step. First, and the easiest way to get help for most Linux commands is by using minus minus help. For example, let's say I want to know more about the ls command. I'll come here to my terminal, do ls minus minus help. So this is what you actually get. If you scroll up, you'll see the different options that are available with these command. You will get a full list of options and examples right there in the terminal. You'll see something like how to use flags such as -a, -l, or also options like minus minus color, which is right here. It might look a bit crowded depending on your terminal font size, but that's okay. It's just giving you all the available information about the command. Now, another very common way to get help in Linux is by using the man command, which stands for manual. So let me clear my screen first. If I want to learn more about ls, I can type man ls. This will open a detailed manual page that explains what the command does, what each option means, and how to use it. You can scroll through the manual using the arrow keys, and when you're done, you can just press the Q to quit. Keep in mind on some systems, especially desktop versions like Ubuntu, man pages might not be installed by default. If you get an error like manual not found, you will need to install them. You can do that by typing the following: sudo, this is a command we will see later on, app install man -dv. Click enter, and it will automatically go ahead and start downloading. It might ask you for your password. If you have any, just type it. These commands will bring back all the manual pages and documentation that might have been removed to save space. Once that's done, you can reboot your system, and from then on, the man command will work perfectly. Now, if neither help or man gives you what you need, don't worry, there's always online documentation. You can search for help directly on the official documentation of a tool. You can also go to Stack Overflow for community answers or Linux focused forums. Usually they are in, for example, Reddit, where users often share solutions to similar problems. When searching online, try always to be very specific, like the name of your distribution, if you're using Ubuntu, CentOS, or any other, so that you can get a most specific answer to your question. Now, to summarize, use minus minus help to quickly see common options. Use man to read detailed manuals. If you don't have manual installed, then install man pages if they are missing. And when you have any doubt, don't hesitate on search online or ask the community. Getting help is part of learning Linux. Even experienced users look up documentation all the time. So don't be afraid to explore, experiment, and ask any question.